Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Gopedal in your Jeep Wrangler JL. The first step is you want to make sure the vehicle's powered down. The only tool needed is a flashlight, maybe. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to pull out on this tab here and release the harness off the top of the gas pedal. Okay, and you take your Gopedal and you're going to put it on top of the gas pedal, and then you're going to take your Gopedal harness and plug it into the stock harness, just like that. Now we take this harness wire and we're going to kind of tuck it under the center console and the dash here, and just kind of hide the wires. Okay, now with the Gopedal installed, you're ready to turn on the vehicle. And you're going to turn your pedal on. Okay, there's Eco. You can detune it by 3. Up tune it by 3. There's Sport, detune, up tune by 3. Then Sport Plus, detune it by 3. You can just 1 or 2, or up tune it by 3. Okay, one thing to keep in mind is you don't want to be playing with this and operating the accelerator pedal at the same time. Don't want to be messing with this while you're driving, basically. That is how you install the Gopedal in your Jeep Wrangler JL. Any questions, give us a call or email.